So what is it that fearless agent coaching students of mine know that no other agents that you would compete with do know? And it's a bunch of stuff, but it's basically the skills, the schedule, and the systems of a fearless agent. Let's just talk about the skills. So the skills I want you to have, I think you're a competent, professional, reliable real estate professional if you have a listing presentation that causes every seller to want to do business with you. You have a pricing presentation that causes every seller to beg you to underprice their house right off the bat so that they don't fall in the trap of overpricing their house, which of course would hurt them. You have a for sale by owner presentation for those special folks. You have a buyer presentation that causes every buyer to eagerly sign the buyer broker agreement before you ever show a single house or search the MLS. They always want to use the lender you recommend so they don't have problems. And you have an investor presentation for real investors. I'm talking about buy and hold rental investors, not the fix and flip nitwit that went to the scammy seminar that's going to drive you crazy, okay? So if you have those 5 core presentations and the words to say to get yourself into enough of those presentations, that's the skills part of the skills, the schedule, and the systems part of Fearless Agent. So if you would like to earn more for sure, but learn more about Fearless Agent, you can call me directly. If you call me at 480-385-8810, that is my cell phone number, I'll probably answer. And if not, I'll call you right back. But we'll just have a chat to see if Fearless Agent Coaching would be a good fit for you. If it is, you will get rich. And if it's not, we'll admit that to each other, and I'm still happy to help you in any other way I can. You can go to fearlessagentpodcast.com and subscribe to that. You could go to fearlessagent.tv, which is probably where you are now, and hit subscribe for our videos, and then go to fearlessagent.com, watch all the videos on the website. That'll be much better coaching for free than you would ever pay any other coach in America any amount of money for. That's my guarantee. And one way or the other, let's see if we can make you a fearless agent. Thanks.